Hello viewers! In today's video I'll show you how to change the in-cabin filter and the engine air filter on this 2019 Honda Odyssey. Now with the in-cabin air filter you should check and change it every 25,000 miles. For the engine air filter you should check it once a year, and if it's very dirty you should replace it. To get to the in-cabin air filter, open the passenger door, open the glove box. On the right side here, there's a damper you need to release. On the damper, there's a hook here that you need to push forward. Next, push in both sides of the glove box, and it'll drop down. Here's a closer look at the plastic tab. Behind the glove box, you'll see a door cover right here. You need to remove this to get access to the in-cabin air filter. Push in the two tabs on the side. Now before I pull out the air filter, keep in mind the airflow goes from top to bottom. If you look on this cover right here, it's also marked with airflow top to bottom. On this original Honda filter, it's also marked with the airflow pointing down. Now you can remove the filter. A good replacement in-cabin air filter is this Fram Fresh Breeze air filter, part number CF11182. Now on this air filter is also marked with the airflow direction. Here's a side-by-side look of the two air filters. The one on the left is a Fram filter, the one on the right is the original Honda filter. Install the new air filter. Reinstall the door cover. Put the glove box back in. Reattach a damper. Now you can close the glove box. To check the engine air filter, open the hood. The air filter box is right here on the driver's side. Release the two clips on the side. There's another clip at the back you need to release. Now you can lift up the cover. Here's the air filter. Inspect the air filter, make sure it's not too dirty or clogged. If it's really dirty, go ahead and replace it. Also, a clogged filter will reduce your fuel economy and affect engine performance. Reinstall the air filter. To put this cover back on, there are two hooks at the back that need to go into these two holes right here. Lock the three latches back on. And that's it. So for those of you who own a 2018 and newer Honda Odyssey, I hope you found this video to be helpful. It's so much cheaper to replace the air filter yourself than paying a shop or a dealer for this quick and easy job. If you want to buy the replacement filter, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.